Hello, dear students. Warm wishes and best greetings from Kaizen Academy. My name is Fuzail Ahmed. I am the administrator in Kaizen Academy and Social Science faculty. I welcome you all to our very unique and very special episode of introducing ourselves, and I also welcome you to our online live streaming classes for the very first time. Speaking of Kaizen Academy managed by Kaizen Educational Trust was established in the year 2010 December. And from that very moment of establishment till now, the Academy has continuously and incrementally progressed and contributed towards education. You all are heartily welcome to this very unique session where I will be introducing ourselves and guiding you to our online live streaming classes for SSLC 2020 batch. I first of all congratulate all of you for passing your 9th standard and entering into this very important academic year of your life, SSLC. And from here onwards, your shaping of career starts. And we at Kaizen Academy will help you in shaping your career. This academy was and is and will always be supportive of helping you accomplish your future endeavors. I very sincerely and very heartily thank the various school managements who have supported us in starting with this online live streaming classes. A big salute to the management of schools. And I thank them and I also request them to spread this message. It is very important that the student community comes to know about our special online live streaming classes. It will be very helpful, very informative, and very knowledgeable. I request other schools to kindly participate and help the student community prosper. It is never a one-man show. It is teamwork. Kaizen Academy, in association with different schools of Bangalore city, can help the student community grow. And at this hour, when our country is in deep crisis, when educational institutions are still shut down, when students are at home desperately waiting for schools to reopen, desperately waiting for colleges to reopen, we at Kaizen Academy have come out with this very unique solution, and I am sure it will be very successful in starting with online live streaming classes for SSLC students of Karnataka state for the academic year 2020. I once again welcome you all. Now, speaking of our agenda, the main purpose, the motive of this online live streaming class is to pull the minds of students towards studies. You all have enjoyed a lot in your holidays. Now is the time to gear up. Now is the time to come back on track and start focusing on your studies. Studies is what matters the most in any student's life. Your parents have sacrificed a lot of time, a lot of energy, a lot of money on you. You, my dear students, you. And in return, you must give your best in studies. This is what every parent demands, and this is what every teacher demands. So, let me tell you about our online live streaming classes. It is a combined effort of the management of Kaizen Academy and all the dedicated and hard-working teachers of this institution. This institution has given the best result every year. All thanks to the hard-working nature, dedicated attitude of the teachers of Kaizen Academy, duly supported by management. Now, this class, as you all know, it is virtual class wherein you at your home or wherever you are at present can learn everything and anything from your SSLC syllabus of 4 subjects mainly: mathematics, science, social, and Kannada language. Of course, we will be helping you in English and Hindi as well, but as of now, we will be focusing on 4 subjects alone. I am sure all of you watching this video have subscribed to our YouTube channel Kaizen Academy Bangalore and pressed the bell icon and also liked our videos. Surely you must have liked it. They are very, very enthralling videos. But if you have not subscribed, you are watching this video for the very first time, I request you to immediately subscribe now and press the bell icon now so that you receive all latest updates from Kaizen Academy. Online live streaming classes shall be conducted on timetable basis with a perfect schedule given for every subject with equality and justice. Because we always say all subjects are equal, and you must also say all subjects are equal and you must score distinction in all the subjects. And we at Kaizen Academy will help you, will guide you, will hold your hand in achieving your desired result. And also, we will direct you towards your future endeavors. This is a promise from all the teachers of Kaizen Academy. Whenever we decide on online live streaming classes, a timetable will be prepared, a schedule will be prepared, and it will be posted to you in your school WhatsApp group a day prior. Please notice, a day prior you will be duly informed of the timetable of the subject to be taught next day. So please have a note and you must follow it sincerely. This will be happening on daily basis and we will abide by it. We are committed, we are dedicated, we are determined, and so should you. You too must be more committed, more dedicated, and more determined. So let me remind once again, a timetable will be framed, schedule will be framed, and you will be duly informed about it a day prior in your school WhatsApp group about the subjects to be taught the next day. So I must say, you should write it down, note it down, and follow the instructions carefully. It is obviously for your benefit. We have certain general guidelines for the students learning from us through this very unique online live streaming classes by Kaizen Academy. We believe in punctuality and regularity. This is very, very important. You must be punctual to our classes and you must be very regular to our classes. When we decide on a time, you must follow it. For example, if the class starts at 5 p.m. in the evening, I mean to say, if live streaming class starts in the evening at 5 p.m., you should be ready with your smartphone waiting for the link before 5 p.m. Make sure all your personal commitments are either preponed or postponed. We want your availability whenever we ask for. It is pre-decided and it will be pre-informed. And whenever you enter our live streaming classes, let me tell you, you should be punctual and regular. So when you enter our live streaming classes, you must mark your attendance by typing in your name and your school name. I repeat, you must type in your name and your school name and type present in our live chat box. Yes, there is a live chat box wherein you can send in your attendance and you can send in your questions and you can send in your doubts. We will surely respond to it. It is a promise. We will surely respond to your questions, surely respond to your doubts and clarify them. That is very important. We believe in total service. We teach and we clarify your doubts, your queries instantly. If not, we will surely clarify all your doubts and your queries in the next session. But you will never be left alone. That is a promise. And let me warn you, since it is live chat box, I suggest you do not post unnecessary chats. Let us avoid unnecessary chats. If we find you are chatting and posting unnecessarily, we shall question you. Like any teacher, when you disturb the class, a teacher questions you. And many a times the teacher punishes you. Let us not do that here. I am very excited, so should you be. But in this excitement, let us not forget ethics. The ethics here is you enter the class with one motive only: to learn. To learn what the teacher is teaching you. You learn, you ask your doubts, you get your doubts clarified, and you leave at the end of the session. And this will happen every day till your lockdown period. Please do not post any comment unnecessarily, as it is a cause for distraction. It will distract your other classmates and it will distract the teacher as well. So dear students, hope you all are excited. I am sure you all are excited because this is the very first time happening in your life. Am I right? The very first time happening in your life, and it is the very first time Kaizen Academy is starting with online live streaming classes. And we shall make it successful with your support, with your cooperation, and during the class, you must be highly attentive. Highly attentive. I repeat, we need your support. We need your cooperation. And you must be highly attentive. Plus, very important, my dear students, save your mobile data. Save your data pack. Since the classes most probably will be streamed live in the evenings, so during the daytime, your mind will say, let us use WhatsApp, let us use Instagram, let us use Facebook or any social media. Please avoid it, because you have to save your data. You have to save your data for the online live streaming classes in the evenings. So daytime, you utilize your time effectively in some good work and minimize your time, reduce your time on social media. It will not help you at all. So my dear students, this is the hard work of the teachers of Kaizen Academy and the management of Kaizen Academy. It is indeed a very beautiful moment here, wherein we are here to serve your cause. And what is your cause? Your cause is to prosper, excel in academics. As the name Kaizen means, incremental development, incremental growth. This word means a lot. We are here for your incremental growth, for your incremental development, and we are here to make you a successful, inspirational person. In fact, successful, inspirational personality, so that others can learn from you, others can get inspired from you. So please keep in mind that every time we decide on a class, we will be sending you the URL. In other words, link to you. That URL, that link will have a specific time schedule, starting time and ending time. There is time limit. Please do not miss classes. It is a big disadvantage. Once you miss a class, you can never get it back, because this is live streaming. There is a perfect start time and end time. You have to make yourself available in this time slot only. If you miss this time slot, you can never get back the missed session. A humble request, my dear students. So, punctuality, regularity, keep yourself away from social media, put your full enthusiasm, your full dedication towards studies, because now is the time to spend your every minute on studies. And fifth point, we will be framing perfect timetable, perfect schedule, and posting it to you in your school WhatsApp group. Plus, you will receive URL, that is the link of our live streaming class. By entering into that link, you shall enter into our class. So on behalf of all the teachers of Kaizen Academy and the management, I heartily welcome you. This will truly be a wonderful journey. As long as we are here, you don't have to get scared, because we will make your studies simple, easier, enjoyable, and memorable. Till my next session, thank you very much. Stay home, stay safe. Goodbye.